Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to answer a quick question about the name that your PC has and how to change it. And there's a reason why, for actually multiple reasons why. If you have PCs on a network, it might be easier to identify the PC as to what PC it is than a cryptic, number of letters and numbers that usually is what Windows will create. You can actually give it an actual name that you know what it is. And I'll give you an example of where it's important. Say that I want to share a tab from my Microsoft Edge browser. One of the things that happens is that when I right click and I go to send tab to your device, the list of devices that I have are the name that the PC has. So as you see here, I've got as names, I've got Asus main, and then the type of browser where I want to send it, and Edge, and so on. So I give it a clear name that I know what it actually is. My old computer, old Toshiba. So it tells you exactly what it is. So I know where I'm sending it. If you don't do that, you'll get, send to GH449QA76. It's like, what's that? Well, that's the problem. That's why you want to change the name of your PC so it gets clear which one it is, especially if you have multiple PCs like I do. You want to know where you're sending your tabs, or where, if you're connecting to the other PC through File Explorer to retrieve files, you want to know which one it is. So to change the name, it's quite simple. Simply go to your Settings app. In the Settings app, when you are on the System tab, at the bottom of the System tab, you will have About. And on the page where it says About, it says rename this PC right here. So here, you can see that my current name is Desktop G0QASKR. You might want to change that. So I'm going to actually say it's Windows 10 PC. Why? Because I got only one Windows 10 PC now. So this is going to be easy to actually identify. And then you click Next. And once you click Next, it might actually ask you to restart. This will make your PC much easier to identify starting from now. So after restarting, your PC will now be identified online as the name that you gave it. In my case here, Windows 10 PC. I'm going to know which one it is. I only got one. If you have multiple PCs, well, you can name it by the brand if you have different brands. So in my case, it could be Asus, or it could be Acer, or it could be Toshiba. If they're all same branded, well, find an identification of which one it is. It could be simply telling you a main PC, for example, the one you use all the time, or if you have a mix of desktops, laptops, and mini PCs, it could be mini PC, laptop, or desktop. But just make it that it's easy for you to know which one it is. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.